welcome to week 2 of cleaning Pacesetter. Let's start this journey. Today is a beautiful day. There's no much wind. It is calm waters except for the boats that pass and the ferries that pass. But otherwise it's calm waters. We have an opportunity to clean the hull today, so we're using as much time as possible to try and get as much as these mussels off of Pacesetter. It's going to be an interesting day today. It was nice getting on the boat this morning and just to see everything is clean. I will show you guys the before images if you're new to the channel to see how Pacesetter looked. So it was quite nice except for the birds, but it was quite nice getting on here this morning and seeing the good work we did last weekend.
から出して怖いので。
We are taking a 10-minute break. The tide is busy pulling in, so we're on the other side at the moment, but it seems like we have to call it for the day because we're bouncing around, or John is bouncing around in there. When you have no sailing experience and trying to figure out how to put up the mainsail, YouTube videos are the best. So we got some holes in the mainsail. Not too sure if we can patch it, or we need a mainsail. Okay. Taking off the mainsail to book it in for some repair work. Okay, we took the mainsail off. It's a bit naked! The furling still looks okay. We opened up the furling a bit. It doesn't seem like there's much damage. Still looks useful. So the furling is still okay. But mainsail, definitely needed to take it off. There's some holes. See if we can repair the holes, or what we can do, patch it up, or I don't know. We'll see from there.